my busy bumblebees, this is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Today we're going to make a yummy donut with Play-Doh. You will need a big piece of Play-Doh, 4 little ones, pencil, cup with sprinkles, and when we finish, we're going to open the Kinder Egg. Take the large piece of Play-Doh and mold it in your hand so it's nice and soft. Put the Play-Doh between your palms and roll it into a ball.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
Put it on the table and press it down gently, just a little to make it flat. Even out the sides to make it nice and round. Find the middle and poke your pencil through all the way down to the table. Press. Take your pointer finger and put it through the hole. Make it nice and round. Now let's make a rainbow topping. Take small piece of Play-Doh and roll it into a little hot dog.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S.
Once you finish all the 4 pieces, put them together and make sure they're touching. Take your pencil and use gentle fingers to make them flat.
Sing with me.
Now take your cup and press down on the Play-Doh so it makes a circle. Take your pencil and mark the middle.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Gently use your fingers and peel the Play-Doh off the table and put it on top of your donut.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Press down on its sides to make it even.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Now take your sprinkles and shake it well.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
I have to clean my table now. Let's use your pincer grasp, 2 fingers, thumb and index, and let's pick up all the sprinkles off the table.
know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
It's a beautiful rainbow donut that we made. Good job, guys! Take the extra Play-Doh that you have left over and mix it together to see what color you're going to get.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
I got light brown. What color did you get? It's time for the Kinder Egg. Thanks for playing with me. See you next time. Bye.